The first measure of dispersion that we're going to look at here is the range. And range is a pretty easy value to compute, and the name kind of tells you what you're looking at. It's just the highest value minus the lowest value. So for our batteries from that last example, the range for the first battery would be 20 hours, while the range for the second would be 8, which tells you that your guess that the first battery is less reliable, less consistent, makes sense because the spread, the range, is much higher. So it gives you a really quick way to say, okay, these values are spread pretty thin, those are spread a lot less thin, but it's not the very best thing, and this kind of harkens back to the mid-range, wonder why, in that it might be very strongly affected by one or two incredibly unusual values and might not really tell you the whole story. So we're going to see with our next measure that we can do a lot better. We can get a much more useful measure on consistency, a much more useful measure on dispersion with a value called standard deviation.